गुजरात ऑडियंस, गुजरात ढोलीवुड नहीं इतना भी नहीं भाई. After this quiz you can go to WTF, you might bump into a bus there well. Also we have siblings, we have couple friends, colleagues, amazing. दिल संभल जा जरा फिर oh what a song भाई, what a guy Govinda, still in news. Hello and welcome to the second episode of season 4 of the quiz show. Yes. Let's do this. This is the first time ever in quizzing history that we are doing a pure Bollywood themed quiz. We have done movies edition earlier, but this is the first time we are doing Bollywood. Some people will comment saying, don't call it Bollywood. You know that? There's always a section of people who are like, don't call it. Call it Hindi cinema quiz. So what should we do? Bollywood is okay, no? Yeah. Okay, Bollywood. Okay, do you guys know what Kannada film industry is called? Everyone knows. आज ये तो क्विज का ऑडियंस है इनमें तो स्टैंड अप ऑडियंस में पागल होते हैं. सैंडलवुड नहीं यार क्विज ऑडियंस. हाँ सैंडलवुड बचपन से सुन रहे हैं. गुजरात ऑडियंस, गुजरात ढोलीवुड नहीं इतना भी नहीं भाई. इट विल बिकम समथिंग एल्स सून बट अभी ढोलीवुड ढोल से ऐसा. Pakistan industry, anyone? Lollywood. Nice. So we did a prelims and we had like bunch of film enthusiasts here in Mumbai and we have selected 4 teams actually. For the first time ever we are doing team quiz. We'll meet them one by one. I want to start from my right and just give us your basic intro and your team name, some fun team name, and also like your favorite movie of all time, just for fun. Okay?
Team name is Pehle Aap. And my name is Devang Ghia. Favorite movie of all time keeps changing, but I don't know. अगर Bollywood है तो I'll say इजाज़त.
Okay, इजाज़त. Any इजाज़त fan? हाँ. Okay.
Hi, my name is Vivek, and my favorite Bollywood movie is, which one is it? Masoom, maybe.
Masoom. Very 80s R.D. Burman vibe I see from R.D. Burman Gulzar vibe.
Very Shabana coded.
First, Shabana?
Very Shabana coded.
Very Shabana coded team. Also Vivek is one of India's best authors, so big round of applause for Vivek. And also Vivek has been one of the earliest, in MBA we used to study about early adapters. One of the earliest supporters of quizzing, so mad shout out to you Vivek. I remember those lockdown days in the beginning and you were always there for us. Nice to see you in the finale. Okay, पहले आप, दूसरे आप, what's your team name and intro?
Yeah, team name Min or Max.
Min or Max, okay.
I'm Shailesh Kapoor.
I'm Vidit Singh.
And how do you know each other?
We work in Ormax, so Min or Max.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you guys tell कि कौन सा वेब सीरीज अच्छा चल रहा है और नहीं चल रहा है.
Same guys.
Okay. I think चाचा विधायक है हमारे. Crazy. It's killing it.
Nice.
3 seasons on. Oh, best. And how do you get? Sorry, I forgot to ask. We're just friends, Vivek.
Just met through quizzing, yeah.
Met through quizzing. Okay.
Yeah.
And colleagues,
Yeah.
Min or Max.
Favorite movie, yeah.
Oh, favorite movie. Yes. Sorry.
I'm allowed to say हम आपके कौन? So हम
Why not? हम आपके हैं कौन? अरे भाई, I appreciate such nice. Yeah, I mean, great movie. Yes.
Yeah, my favorite is Rang De Basanti.
Wow. Anything common between the two? Let's think. We are Bollywood quiz. Between Rang De Basanti and आपके हैं कौन? Can you find something? Anupam Kher, is it? Ah, great. Well done. Anupam Kher. Yes. Oh. Very Anupam Kher coded team. Okay. Third team.
Hi, my name is Abhishek, and my teammate is someone I've known since she was born. It's my sister, and
Crazy story. Okay.
हम कभी भी कुंभ के मेले में नहीं बिछड़े हैं.
अभी तक नहीं बिछड़े.
अभी नहीं.
so our team name for this quiz, well, we thought of a few names. The one we chose for the previous prelims was Duo Siblingo, which I thought was a better pun, but now we're going with Sibling Revelry.
Okay, big round of applause for Sibling Revelry. Favorite films, Abhishek, Pallavi?
Something that I think we both enjoy is Chachi 420.
Nice.
Yeah.
Same, Chachi 420 for you.
No, I'll change my answer.
You will change. Otherwise, it will become चाची 840 हो जाएगा दोनों बोल देंगे. Let's change.
नहीं, I also like सोचा ना था a lot.
अंडररेटेड जेम. वाओ, सोचा ना था. Very nice. One of the
I think out of all the Imtiaz movies, I
all
like
your
that
favorite
one.
Imtiaz movie is सोचा ना था. Your favorite Paresh Rawal film is Kachi 420.
And Om Puri.
And Om Puri Saran. Okay. This is a wonderful, wonderful team. I love to see them on stage because Abhishek, if you guys are following the quiz show, he's been winning many quiz shows in the last season that you guys saw. And Pallavi joined us. We did a fun new concept of quizzing called Anyone Can Quiz. And Pallavi joined them when we realized that she's Abhishek's sister. Anyone Can Quiz. And then Pallavi needed a partner for this quiz. And so she got Abhishek to fly from Delhi to come here, and they are a team, and they are in the finals now. Great story, amazing. Also, shout out to your father. I think he has also started following quizzing because of you guys. I see his comments on the channel. It's very, very, very sweet. So shout out to him too.
Next time you're in Delhi, maybe I'll team up with him.
Oh, nice, 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 nice. Okay, team 4 now.
Hi, this is Shivani, and
Vishesh.
Okay.
the movies I like. Okay, one of which actually I like a lot of movies, but one of which is Jhankar Beats. I'm very fond of that movie.
Yes.
And
Jhankar Beats,
and otherwise any Govinda movie.
Oh, finally. Yes.
Yeah. So
My favorite movie is, it's between Anand and Chupke Chupke.
Anand. So Rishikesh Mukherjee, 70s vibe. Okay, okay. Govind. Sorry.
Team name is Jodi Number 1.
Jodi number 1, yes. And how do you know each other? Like, what's the...
Married.
Oh, married to each other. Also, we have siblings, we have couple, friends, colleagues. Amazing, amazing. Jodi number 1. Is that your favorite Govinda film? No, I'm sure there's...
I like Hasina Manjari.
Hasina Manjari. Oh. Kab tak cheekegi, chillaegi. What a guy, Govinda. Still in news. For very different reason. Ask anyone like me who grew up in the 90s going, would you have predicted कि 20-30 साल बाद गोविंदा के इंटरव्यू होंगे तो क्या बात कर रहा हो कि मैं अवतार में था, मैंने उसको अवतार बताया, कैमरून तो खड़ा था यहाँ पे, मैंने उसको बोला. क्रेजी भाई. Anyone else? Govinda type of person? Favorite Govinda film? Anyone? Dule Raja, no? Dule Raja. Yes? Any movie of Govinda. But that phase from Coolie number 1 and Hero number 1. Bhagam Bhag. That meme, you know, that reel still come. Bhagam. Sab kar diya. Partner, of course. Raja Babu, of course, legendary. Sandwich, okay. Deep cut Govinda. Sandwich. Amazing. Okay, guys. पहले आप मिन और मैक्स सिबलिंग रेवलरी जोड़ी नंबर 1 शुरू करें. ऑडियंस रेडी? ओके, कूल. Let's do some Bollywood quizzing. First, let's go through the rules. You guys know everything. Quizmaster decision is final and binding. 20 questions, okay. 16 for you guys. Point system, it'll increase 10, 11, 12. You guys know that if you've seen quizzing. Infi bounce, reverse infi bounce, everyone knows. All teams only, okay. Cool, man. Let's begin. First direct is for team Pehle Aap. Speaking about the lyrics of the song, Gulzar had told Hindustan Times in 2006, serious poetry would have been out of place here. The song is inspired primarily by the lines that one sees written on trucks speeding up and down the highways in North India. Remember that the female protagonist is from a Punjabi family. She throws around a smattering of English because her ambition is to be a beauty pageant contestant. The boy too is a small town guy in a hurry to get ahead in life. Which chartbuster from 2005 are we talking about? So we're talking about a song. Your answer will be a song. Extra love for singing the song. Okay. For any question where answer is song, we'll appreciate if you sing.
We'll say Dhadak Dhadak.
Not Dhadak Dhadak. Going to Min or Max?
Kajrare from Bunty or Babbi.
Kajrare. You cut the wrong wire there. Pehle Aap. And it was a valid confusion. Dhadak Dhadak is the song where both of the protagonists are being mentioned and all of that. But then if you have to figure which one of the two would be inspired from lines on trucks and all of that, you would think of Kajrare. And Kajrare is also a song that Gulzar Saab gives many interviews about, many lines in that song. All of that, Kajrare. So first points on board, 11 points for Min or Max. Okay, team 2, a movie and a song, okay? Team 2, it was the first Hindi film for South Indian singer S.P. Balasubramaniam. The composers were initially against including him, feeling that the Madrasi would not do justice to a Hindi composition. But Balachandar cited that if the lead character, played by Hassan, could not speak Hindi well, then even if Balasubramaniam blemished the song, it would capture the character. Extra hint, two portions of one song from the film were later sampled in the 2004 Britney Spears song Toxic as part of its hook. Just name the film for full points, and obviously if you can name the song also great. हाँ, Team Sibling Revelries direct.
एक दूजे के लिए
Can you name the song also? I'll give you point because we just asked name the film for full point. Anybody wants to guess the song for fun?
तेरे मेरे बीच में.
तेरे मेरे बीच में. Imagine, man, crazy. 10 points there to Sibling Revelry. This is, yes. एक दूजे के लिए तेरे मेरे बीच में. This is, इसके बीच का एक hook. If you guys listen to Toxic next, it's taken from this. लक्ष्मीकांत प्यारेलाल, Toxic, crazy. शुरू में मैंने सुना था, मुझे लगा ये वैसा वाला है. हम लोग नहीं बोलते थे कि हमने सब कुछ हमने पहले किया था types. But it is legit. They took it from this song. LP, one of my favorite music composers of all time. Next direct will be to Jodi number 1. Ernst Stavro Blofeld is a fictional supervillain in the James Bond series. He is a criminal mastermind with aspirations of world domination. He is the arch enemy of James Bond. Now, first part of the question, which 1980 character from Bollywood is inspired from this character? That's the first half of the question. The second half, you have a map also to help you for second half. Steep Home is an English island lying in the Bristol Channel. Now, how is the island connected to part 1 of the question? So, two-part question. First part is very direct. What character from Bollywood you think is inspired from Ernst Stavro Blofeld, which is a James Bond villain? Second half is, how do you think this English island is connected to that character?
So the character is Shakal from Shan. And probably this is the island that was inspired.
Yeah, I'll give it to you. Yes. Well done. Shakal, and this is the island in the movie Shan. Fantastic. 10 points there too. Jury number 1. That's my impression of Kulbhushan Kharbanda, guys. Any Shan fan on the stage? Huh? Yeah. Audience, Shan fan? Yeah. Nice. The dog chase scene gives you remember that Sunil Dutt in the island? Bye, helicopter. Yes. Okay, guys. Jodi number 1 gets 10 points for this. Next direct will be to Team Pehle Aap. The enthralling allure of Alia Bhatt's sari ensembles in a film stirred conversations across some times back. She undertook a commendable initiative in collaboration with designer Manish Malhotra to auction off these iconic saris through her Misu wardrobe sharing project. All I want from you is which film was part of this initiative. If you guys want, I can read the text on the screen also. Misu, my wardrobe sharing initiative focused on recycling and keeping clothes from landfills, is launching its 13th edition, which is really special to me. There's been so much love for my saris in Dash that Manish and I have been working closely together to ensure that all the saris that I have worn while promoting the film reach you, my dear Dashes. 100% of the proceeds from the sale of these saris will go towards preventive and promotive healthcare of the vulnerable women and children through Sneha.
We'll say Rocky or Rani ki prem kahani.
Yes, you are right. 10 points there to Pehle Aap. That's the blank. There's been so much love for my saris in Rocky or Rani ki prem kahani. Promoting the film, reach you, my dear Ranis. Pehle Aap got Rocky or Rani ki prem kahani 10 points, which means the next direct will be to Min or Max. Kiss Kiss Bang Bangalore is the 17th episode of season 17 of The Simpsons. In this episode, Homer learns that the nuclear power plant in India is being shut down and nuclear power plant is being shut down and outsourced to India. Homer is the only employee who will work at the Indian plant while all the others are fired. Now, what is this doing in a Bollywood quiz? Which Hindi song from a 1970 crime action film was played at the end of the episode, which originally starred Dev Anand and Hema Malini? This is a screenshot from Kiss Kiss Bang Bangalore. Homer comes to India, they play a song in the background.
पलवर के लिए कोई हमें प्यार कर ले, झूठा ही सही.
झूठा ही सही. Well done. 10 points there to Min or Max. Johnny Mera Naam fans? Johnny Mera Naam? Love this movie. No, it's very, very nice. Very underrated because not one of those classic types, no, but still like keeps coming in Johnny Gaddar also. It's a nice homage if you've seen Johnny Gaddar.
There's some 69 windows in this song or something like that.
हाँ, something like that. हाँ. Yeah. 69 windows.
That's why probably I
Crazy.
remember also.
That's why you remember. झूठाई सही क्या फर्क पड़ता है 68 भी हुआ तो 69 is more fun. झूठाई सही is another movie.
Yeah.
John Abraham, Abbas Tayar wala. Yeah. After this quiz, you can go to WTF. You might bump into Abbas Tayar wala. Just giving you Andheri guide tips. Next, direct for sibling rivalry. She was to have made her debut in a Tamil film directed by C.V. Sridhar, but was dropped at the last minute. One of those impressed by this young, beautiful dancer was B. Ananthaswamy, a Tamil producer who was making a Hindi film, Sapno Ka Saudagar, with none other than Raj Kapoor in 1968. While designating the film's poster, Ananthaswamy added the words Raj Kapoor's dash dash just below her face. What moniker, like what is this story doing in this quiz? What moniker originated from this incident or just filling the blank?
First thought, is this Hema Malini and Dream Girl?
Yes, it is. That is correct. 10 points there to sibling rivalry. It is Raj Kapoor's Dream Girl, and this is how the word Dream Girl, or the title Dream Girl, or the moniker Dream Girl got associated with Hema Malini. Sapna Ka Saudagar is her Hindi debut, and bunch of hints again. Dancer, Tamil, Dream Girl. Okay, cool. Next direct will be to Jodi number 1. Next film. This revenge drama screened at the Tokyo International Fantastic Film Festival in 1999. Its Japanese poster, as you can see, is a psychedelic spectacle, as you can see again, that depicts the female protagonist as a gloriously vengeful goddess. Now, this film is a 1994 film that also won Shah Rukh Khan a Best Villain Filmfare Award. What film are we talking about?
Anjam.
Anjam, yes, that is correct. Oh, Anjam. 10 points there to Jodi number 1. Okay, next direct will be to Pehle Aap. This is a 2023 road adventure drama film written and directed by Tarun Dudeja. In the movie, 4 women set out for a road trip to the highest motorable pass in the world on a journey of self-discovery. The name of the film shares its name with the nickname given to an actor after her performance in a song from a 1992 film. All I want is the movie's name.
Dhak Dhak.
Dhak Dhak, that is correct. Dhak 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 Dhak. 10 points there to Pehle Aap. आप लोग सीख गए पल भर के लिए में हेमा मालिनी आई फिर ड्रीम गर्ल वी वेंट टू देन वी वेंट टू अंजाम देन वी वेंट टू धक धक कोई नोटिस नहीं करता हमारी एफर्ट्स It's okay, guys. It's okay. We have a lot of fun making these quizzes. They're damn fun. Too much fun. And with years, they are becoming more and more fun because, again, now I realize that, see, I work with my juniors from my college. So every year, new people come, no? So you see the cultural and age difference and all start coming in quizzing. I still remember there was a cricket quiz we were making and a guy from our team made a very tough question, okay? Very tough question, everyone. Very tough question. There was an Amir Sohail was batting and वो ठीक है और वो आउट हो गया था विकेट गिर गया था ऐसा और बॉलर ऐसे करके जा रहा था एंड बॉलर का फेस पे कुछ कवर किया था और मोर हिंट्स लाइक फास्ट बुक कर्नाटका सब बोला कि बॉलर कौन मतलब भाई ये कैसे पूछ सकते हैं कहता है दिस इज़ वेरी लाइक हाउ विल दे गेस वेंकटेश मैं कहा भाई तुझे पता नहीं है हमारी ज़िंदगी के एवर लास्टिंग मेमोरी है सो मोस्ट ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चन हैव गॉन थ्रू दीज कॉन्वर्सेशंस कि नो शुड वी लाइक व्हाट इज़ दिस हिंट डूइंग इससे क्या फ़ायदा होगा 90 मैंने कहा वो धक धक गर्ल यार वो माधुरी दीक्षित तो बट हु विल नो माधुरी इज़ धक धक गर्ल मैंने कहा गुड मॉर्निंग कृति सैनन तुमको आइडिया नहीं है भाई ओह ओके गाइस दैट मीन्स वी हैव ऑलरेडी रीच्ड हाफ टाइम व्हाट द हेल टू गुड Too good. Let's do a score check. If you guys are also doing scores and all, we can just cross check. Pehle aap got 10 for Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani and 10 for Dhak Dhak. Pehle aap are on 20 points. Min or Max with 11 for Kajrare and 10 for Pal Bhar Ke Liye Koi Mein Pyar To Kare. Min or Max on 21. 2021. Then we come to sibling rivalry. 10 for Dream Girl and 10 for Ek Duje Ke Liye, also on 20 points. Sibling rivalry. जोड़ी नंबर 1, 10 for Shakal and 10 for Anjam. भाई तुम्हारे साथ दोनों आंसर बड़े. जोड़ी नंबर 1 gets 20 points. They are on 20 points. Crazy. So like nothing differentiating, nothing so far. Maybe 1 or 2 question like तुम्हें मेरी क्या था, what मैं तो भूल भी गया. इंदिरा IVF. तुझको मेरी कसम. I am pregnant. तुझको मेरी कसम टाइप एक क्वेश्चन आएगा, आई थिंक विच विल डिसाइड द फाइनल. अदरवाइज तो 2021, 2020 नो डिफरेंस. द ऑर्डर विल नाउ चेंज. द ऑर्डर विल रिवर्स फॉर दिस सेकेंड हाफ. जोड़ी नंबर 1 सिबलिंग रेवलरी, मिन और मैक्स एंड पहले आप. ओके, पहले आप नाउ यू विल बी आखिरी आप, लाइक दैट. ओके, हर चीज़ पे कोई मूवी आ जाती है ना. आखिरी रास्ता, एनीवन बिग फैन ऑफ आखिरी रास्ता? मैन व्हाट अ फिल्म. आखिरी रास्ता इज द वन वेयर अमिताभ बच्चन टेक्स रिवेंज ना, तीनों से. बाप बेटा दोनों अमिताभ बच्चन. उसमें 3 वो सदाशिव अमरापुरकर को लास्ट पे मारता है. ओ भाई, टू गुड. जोड़ी नंबर 1, दिस इज योर डायरेक्ट. द डायरेक्टर रिवील्ड दैट ड्यूरिंग द प्रोडक्शन देयर वाज अ सीन रिक्वायरिंग अ डैश फॉर एन ऑक्शन. द प्रोडक्शन टीम ब्रॉट सेवरल डैशेस, बट द डायरेक्टर फेल्ट दे वर टू गुड सिंस X wasn't supposed to be a skilled artist. Inspired by his time spent with M.F. Hussain during the making of a 2000 movie, the director decided to create the dash himself, leading to the memorable result seen in the film. It has since become a cultural reference point and even made a cameo in the trailer for Bhool Bhulaiya 3, showcasing its enduring popularity. Who is the artist? I need the artist name behind this cult phenomenon, or IDX.
So, artist, you mean the director?
No.
The actor in the...
the real X.
So, it's Anil Kapoor, Majnu Bhai?
It's not Anil Kapoor, it's Majnu Bhai. Don't disrespect Majnu Bhai. It is Majnu Bhai. I wanted to say this before the quiz started when we were discussing prelims answer, because there were some people who wrote Majnu Bhai for that Salman Khan question. Oh man, oh. Majnu Bhai, this is of course Anis Basmi, and he didn't like the painting, so he created the painting himself because he worked with M.F. Hussain on Gajgamini. And yeah, this is Majnu Bhai, well done. Okay. Welcome also, fun film, welcome fans. Huh? Miracle. Okay, Jodi number 1 gets 10 points for Majnu Bhai. Next direct is to Sibling Rivalry. An homage to the original score was released in 2018 and is featured in the film Happy Phir Bhag Jayegi. The original song, capturing a flirtatious dancer from Shanghai, became highly popular, and upon release, it rejuvenated the career of the singer Geeta Dutt. This is a screenshot from obviously the 2018 version. What song are we talking about?
Is this Mera Naam Chin Chin Chu?
It is, that is correct. It is. You have to sing. No, nobody is doing that. Nobody is singing. But yeah. हम सब इतने अच्छे सिंगर हैं कि कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक आ जाएगा ना. इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है ना अपने आप. सिबलिंग रेवलरी गेट्स 10 पॉइंट्स फॉर मेरा नाम चिन चिन चू. नेक्स्ट डायरेक्ट इज टू मिन और मैक्स. द इनिशियल चॉइस फॉर प्लेइंग अनीता वर्मा, द मेन कैरेक्टर ऑफ द फिल्म, was Shyama. The director Guru Dutt had approached her as she was his leading lady in the highly successful R-Par, but Shyama demanded a high fee and he refused. He then contacted Vaijanti Mala, who rejected the role and later recalled it as her worst decision ever. It was then that Madhubala was chosen to play the leading lady in the film. Very direct question. Which film are we talking about? Min or Max?
Is it Kagas Ke Phool?
Not Kagas Ke Phool. Going to every pass is a decision points. Okay, passing to pehle aap who have a chance to do that Kajrare thing. Yeah.
Mr. and Mrs. 55.
Yes. Yes. You guys have balanced the Kajrare Dhadak Dhadak because that was the only 11 points so far. And now Pehle Aap has got 11 points for Mr. and Mrs. 55. So Madhubala was a big clue. With Madhubala Guru that there's only one movie, which is Mr. and Mrs. 55. Everyone knows this movie was named after Hindu Remarriage Act 1955. सबको सब कुछ आता है यहाँ भाई. Next direct will be to Jodi number 1. X is a 1953 film directed by John Ford and starring Clark Gable. This is the poster. The original trailer for the film stated or claimed that X meant the greatest, but in fact the word has no meaning at all. Producer Sam Zimbalist came up with the title by altering the name of the Dash, which is a famous Hollywood nightclub. Now again, what is it doing in a Bollywood film is What is the name of this movie that will remind you of a famous, infamous character and dialogue from a late 1980s Bollywood film?
We need to name the movie, 1980s movie.
No, character.
So is this Mogambo?
It is Mogambo, yes. It is Mogambo. It is Mogambo. Okay, yes, that is correct. This 1953 film was Mogambo. So when the trailer came out, they said Mogambo means the greater. It didn't mean anything. They just changed Mogambo, Hollywood nightclub's name, to Mogambo, and that reminds you of 1980s Mogambo. Khush hua. Okay. 10 points to Pehle Aap. Which means next direct will be to Sibling Revelry. This is for you. This is a 2020 comedy drama thriller film written and directed by Dinkar Kapoor. The film stars Krishna Abhishek, Arjumal Mughal, Anusmriti Sarkar, along with Kannada actor Kartik Jairam making his Bollywood debut. The film title was loosely inspired from a famous dialogue by the veteran actor Rajesh Khanna in a 70s cult film. The the Rajesh Khanna film, portrays the decline of human values and relationships and contrasts it by presenting an illustrious example of a boy's innocent love for a neighborhood tawayef or courtesan. What's the film called? An amazing poster is also there. Okay, with Krishna Abhishek, I'm guessing that's Anusmriti Sarkar, and I don't know if this is Arjuman Mughal or Kartik Jairam. I'm sorry, guys. In Sandalwood edition, we'll talk about Kartik Jairam. Sorry, whenever.
Can we give the phrase?
Phrase is the movie. Movie name and the phrase.
Acha,
Pushpa, I hate tears.
Pushpa, I hate tears. That's the name of this film. Things you learned while making a quiz. This movie is called Pushpa, I hate tears. Anyone who has actually seen this film, come on. One person somewhere in the corner. No bravery in, Siddesh? Tonight. घर गया और सब लोग देख के पुष्पा जिस ओटीटी पे होगा उनकी फट लगी ये कौन देख रहा है बे ये तुम कुछ गलत सर्च कर रहे हो तुमको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा भाई साहब
सारे MBA algorithms are gonna change now.
Pushpa, I hate tears. Fantastic. 10 points there to Sibling Revelry. Next direct is to Min or Max. This soft drink brand had plenty of memorable advertising campaigns in India ever since its entry into the market in the late 1980s. However, probably the best of them lies in the memory of a martyred Braveheart who made the ad slogan his own during the 1999 Kargil War, keeping it alive in public memory. Long after the brand had moved to using other jingles, it also inspired the title of a 2004 Anant Mahadevan film. Which slogan is this? Or you can just tell me the movie name on the screen, whatever.
Movie is Dil Mange More, slogan Ye Dil Mange More.
Yes, that is correct. Movie is Dil Mange More. Okay. Min or Max also 10 points. 2 questions to go. Pehle Aap. The title of this article is borrowed from a Bollywood song that depicts hesitation turning into commitment. Name the 2000 song explaining the shift in FII focus in Indian markets. So obviously this is an economic, money control headline, but obviously there's a Bollywood connect. FII is a raising stake in small caps more than large caps, all of that. But the headline is inspired from a Bollywood song from the year 2000 that depicts hesitation turning into commitment. Just need the song.
Dil Chahta Hai.
No, not Dil Chahta Hai. Passing to Jodi number 1. Year-wise also Dil Chahta Hai, 2001, but वैसे भी hesitation turning into commitment. Anyway, Jodi number 1. Okay, quickly. Pass पे will be faster.
दिल संभल जा जरा.
क्या?
दिल संभल जा जरा.
दिल संभल जा जरा. Oh, what a song, bhai. Genuinely. Love. If I could give just point for the... But yeah, doesn't fit. But what a song, bhai. Oh. Oof. Too good, bhai. Okay, going to Sibling Revelry. Golden opportunity.
If it was earlier, we would have guessed Nana Karte. But no. Because we know it's a wrong answer, I'm just gonna say, Dekho 2000 Zamana aa gaya.
वाह मिलके जीने का बहाना आ गया. Crazy. Only one who remembers Amir Soil Venkatesh will also remember this song. This is the demography. So what's your final answer? Sorry.
That's
देखो
the
to
only
गाना
song.
बनाओ. Okay,
That's the
okay.
only answer we have.
Passing to team Min or Max.
नहीं याद आ रहा कहो ना प्यार
कहो ना प्यार है? No. Okay.
मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं ध्यान है।
Good guess though. हाँ. Timeline also failed.
then you would say film right not song
But it had title track was the same. But yeah, good track. Okay, for the first time ever in this season, we have a question that's going to second round. But that's also in theme with the question. Hesitation turning into so takes little bit more time. Nale, wait, can't commit to this answer, guys. Little. Okay, we'll start with team Pehle Up. Hint will be 2000. The song is known for its music. Just saying, this is a song with album with amazing songs. Movie was also a hit, not one of those obscure films. Songs were great. One of my favorite music directors of all time had given the music for this, which is Nadeem Shravan. Okay, just clarifying. Don't be like, oh, ye to Rahmani hoga. No, no. Is it helping anyone? 2000 Nadeem Shravan blockbuster songs still come in our playlists. I was saying Nadeem Shravan 2000 famous film blockbuster. Should I add more hint? Otherwise,
Hint.
more hint. Anybody blocking hint? Okay. It's a love triangle kind of a thing. One word movie. 2000 Nadeem Shravan musical blockbuster, which is a love triangle sort of a film. जब ये रविंद्र सोनावानी ने आर्टिकल लिखा होगा उसको आइडिया भी नहीं होगा कि एक दिन अंधेरी में 100 लोग बैठ के सोच रहे होंगे कि क्या लिखा भाई ने है तो नहीं है रविंद्र सोनावानी भाई पता नहीं. यस टीम पहले आप
दो दिल मिल रहे हैं
मगर चुपके नो बट नदीम श्रवण गुड ट्रैक बट प्रदेश 97 गोइंग टू जोड़ी नंबर 1.
So, is the movie Dhadkan?
डोंट केयर नीड सॉन्ग.
Only thing we can think of is पल भर में कैसे बदलते हैं रिश्ते.
शिल्पा शेट्टी ले जाऊँ कि रुक जाओगे. But what a song again. Nusrat Saab and earlier से नदीम श्रवण throughout their career copied Nusrat Saab. Then for धड़कनी वाले सर आप ही गा दो मैं ऐसे ही बाकी लोगों से गवाता हूँ. Okay. Team sibling rivalry.
Is it Nana Karte
How much
Pyar?
regret do you have right now?
I know.
Can't believe.
Never
were right
I
there.
can't believe these guys said Nana Karte in the first round.
I gave him that answer. I didn't sing it, so he thought I was singing the old one.
Oh ho. This is Nana Karte. Hesitation turning into commitment. Nana Karte प्यार मगर मैं कर गई. Okay. This is Nana Karte from from Dhadkan, which you guys said, but you went to the old Nana Karte, which didn't fit the timeline. Fair enough. Everyone had, but this is a very critical answer for the quiz. But some sort of a karma because it did come back to you guys. Yeah, Nana Karte Pyar. Unlike Shilpa Shetty, didn't go back to Sunil Shetty. Committed to Akshay Kumar in this film. And some people say in real. Anyway. Okay. Nana Karte, so how much? And this was, who's direct? This was 7, no? Pehle aap. So 5, 6, 7. 7 points to sibling rivalry. And no points for Dhadkan also, no? Nahin. Guys, you guys agree? Dhadkan to...
minus points for giving them the hint.
पहले धड़कन पे पहुंच के भी तुमने वहां पहुंच गए तुम कि किरण कुमार गाड़ी पे बैठे हो. धड़कन धड़कन धड़कन. Last question of the quiz. So this is a direct for Min or Max. Min and Max get it right. Sibling rivalry, you will win. If it passes to Pehle Aap, they get it right, you win. But if it passes to Jodi number 1, and if they get it, Jodi number 1 will win. That is crazy.
Please win. Get it.
Please get is the request that's coming. Okay. Chalo. Last question. Hasrat Jaipuri, an Indian poet and lyricist, winner of 2 Filmfare Awards, fell in love with a neighborhood girl called Radha. Love knows no mazhab or dharam, he told in an interview. It is not at all necessary that a Muslim boy must fall in love only with a Muslim girl. My love was silent, but I wrote a poem for her. That's the poem dash. And that letter may never have been delivered to Radha, but Raj Kapoor reportedly was to later deliver it to the world as the perennial mantra for lovers of all generations in his film released in 1964. 2 things I need from you: the song or the blank, the poem which became the song, and the film.
Film is Sangam. From the letter thing, it is Jo Mera Prem Patra Padhkar Tum Naraz Na Hona.
Great assist, and you have won on that assist. That's crazy. ये मेरा प्रेम पत्र, nobody sang today, but anyway, ये मेरा प्रेम पत्र पढ़कर कि तुम नाराज ना होना is what Hazrat Jaipuri had wrote for a girl called Radha. Raj Kapoor used it in Sangam, which is another love triangle. थोड़ा last few questions were very triangular. And this though was proper copied. No, Pearl Harbor. Anyone? Bhai, I'm not. Please go and check. Pearl Harbor was legit copied from Sangam.
Sanjay Bansal is remaking Sanjay.
Okay.
Love and War is Sangam.
Love and War is Sangam. Oh, not even go there.
So it's Sangam meets Pearl Harbor.
Pearl Harbor. Sangam meets Pearl Harbor. Yes, nice.
That's the Love and War description.
Oh, really? Oh. Okay. So 10 points there to Min or Max. Very critical points. That brings us to the end. Let's take a final score once. Pehle aap had 20 in the first half. They got 11 for Mr. and Mrs. 55. Pehle aap ends on 31. Min or Max had 21 and they got 10 each for Ye Dil Mange More and which one?
Sangam.
And Sangam, of course, the last answer. Ye Mera Prem Patra and Sangam. Min or Max, the team 2, they end on 41. 31-41. Now we come to Sibling Revelry. They had 20 in the first half. They got 10 for Mera Naam Chin Chin Chu, then 10 for Pushpa I Hate Tears, a movie that we are all going to watch. Just a reminder, add to your list. And 7 points, very crucial 7 points for Nana Karte. Sibling Revelry end on 47. Jodi number 1 had 20 in the first half. They got 10 again for Majnu Bhai and 10 again for which one? Mogambo. Jodi number 1 ends on 40 points. So we'll start with the shout out. First of all to Pehle Aap, always a pleasure seeing you guys. Some amazing answers all along. This quiz was almost, not even neck to neck, almost the same till like last 2 questions. Jodi number 1, shout out, 40 points, amazing stuff, amazing. And then we come to the runner up. Usually I give a book to the winner of the quizzes, but now we have bigger prize. Apparently, dunya bahut paison ki. But I'm giving book now to the first runner-ups. Okay, so for Bollywood quiz, I just finished this book, which is a biography of a person I'm very, very obsessed with. You know, in early 2000s, I had there was a Sachin Tendulkar tribute on ESPN, and I think Andy Flower said something like there are only 2 kinds of batsmen in the world: Sachin Tendulkar and the rest. Okay, I feel there are only 2 kinds of stars in the world. There's Rajnikant and the rest. This is a book that I'm giving to the runner-up. I genuinely think 2025, if you say there's just one superstar, everyone can claim to be superstar, but there's nothing like Rajnikant. Loved this book. I want to give it to Team Min or Max. If you can please come and collect this. I have to go in the front. Okay. I will write a note and give it to you. Don't think कि बादशाह की तरफ फ्लॉप हो गया. नहीं, it's not बादशाह. Blasphemy. बाबा की तरफ फ्लॉप हो गया. बादशाह तो बेस्ट मूवी ऑफ ऑल टाइम है भाई. Okay, now to you guys. Sibling Revelry. Bye. Here to reimburse your flight from Delhi. Wow. 20,000. Thank you so much for coming to Bollywood Quiz. Means a lot to all of us. I still think it's a miracle. I still think it's a miracle that we all sit together and do quiz together. If you guys are interested in sports, we have a sports quiz tomorrow at 5 p.m. And if you are into business, brand, biz types person, then there is an 8 p.m. business quiz tomorrow. Tickets are still available on Book My Show. We've added extra tickets for both. That's it. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you soon. Congratulations. See you. Bye.